I'm not trying to scam anybody here.
Well, hey there folks, and welcome back to Dudecraft. Gotta apologize in advance that my content output has been diminished as of late. There's a very important reason for that. My get up and go got up and went. I've been in what some may call the doldrums, where I just don't have any desire to really do anything. And that's not a good feeling. So, people of my generation, we usually don't talk about feelings. We manage everything through sarcasm, chemical dependencies, and busy work. And my brain has had enough of my brain. So I figured I need to get my butt back out into the Temple of Dudecraft and try to push these blues away with some busy work. I got a pile of scrap wood. I got a little impulse buy. And a desire to get out of my own head. So what do you say we work through this together? Alright, let's get started. I don't even remember what I was using this piece of wood for, but it was pre-marked from whatever I cut it off from. And this lines up most serendipitously with the idea I had. Alright, that's pretty cool. So while the GoPro was busy overheating, again, I noticed that I had kind of screwed up and I had put the brush holder a little bit too low. So I went back and I cut out another piece and put it on top. And it's a little out of alignment with the cuts, but I wasn't going to paint it, but now that this is here like this, I'm going to paint it, and once I paint it, nobody will ever know. Much like the state of my mental health. Alright, so let's continue on. rough version. kind of like the state I'm in before painting. What do you guys think? Alright. Let's paint the sucker. Well, alright then. The little itty bitty shitty committee rainy day get off your butt and do something project is now completed. We now have a nice little storage area for my glue and my glue brushes. In the long run, did it make me feel better? Not really, but it did get me off my butt, get me back in the temple of Dudecraft, and crafting again. Well, I guess that's something. Well, hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and we'll take it one day at a time. Dude abides, so do I. Catch you guys next trip. Peace.
Yeah, well, the dude abides.